Today my class is on gravitational potential energy. This is very important not only for the board exam but also for different types of competitive exam, that is will be helpful for different purpose. So first we draw a diagram, that is a earth surface, and we consider a earth, the radius of the earth, that is r, and mass of the earth, that is m, and we consider a point, that is a, where m mass is put. So write down some important points for that. So let us consider r be the radius of the earth and m be the mass of the earth. We consider a point A from the center of the earth at a distance x, where a body of mass m is placed. The force of attraction between the body and earth is F equal to gmm by x square. So for small displacement dx, the work done dw equal to f dx. So gmm by x square into dx, we can write w equal to integration infinity to r, that is gmm by x square into dx. So gmm, so 1 by x square dx. So this is 1 by minus 1 by x, so we can write that is gmm by r. So this is nothing but that is u, that is minus gmm by r. So this is the gravitational potential energy. This is very important. Now this equation is applied for different purpose. So a body of mass m is at height h. So we can write that is u function of r plus h, that is minus gmm by r plus h. So r equal to r plus h. Now on the surface of earth, that is we can write here. So we get minus, we know that is g equal to gm by r square. So g r square equal to gm. So we can write that is g r square into m by r. So u function of r we can write that is minus mgr. This is very useful equations. So this is very important and very useful equation we can write. Now u, this is we can write, so we can write that is gmm 1 by r minus 1 by r plus h. So we get that is gmm h by r into r plus h. When h less than r, we can write that is g mmh by r square. So we can write mgh. I think this class is very much helpful for all students. First, we have known that is the potential energy, and from this concept we apply in case of height, and last we apply when h less than r, that is increase of potential energy, that is mgh. Thank you all my dear students. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.